type my name, okay, and then click login. What is the new information being stored? Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch. Okay, so in this video we continue to lesson 2 in unit 4, variable, conditional, and function. Okay, so the lesson 2 is talking about the variable investigation. We're still in the variable, okay, but it's time for us to investigate. Okay, so we go to the first puzzle here, okay. Okay, so at the left hand side, we can see our app that's called Thermostat app and the instruction here. Okay, so Thermostat app version 1, run the app. So with a partner, investigate the app. So you choose your partner, okay, or your friend, okay. So click run and observe what happened. Okay, try to click on different part of the app screen. So you just click run, and after that you can click anywhere on screen. This text, this home, nothing, this 70 F or Fahrenheit, nothing happened. You click on this button down. Okay, you can hear the sound like click, right? So you can heard it. You can hear it, and up also. Okay, okay. So predict, discuss with your partner. Okay, so the first question is, how does the app work? Okay, how? And the apps work by or when you click on this up button and this down button. If you click anywhere beside of these two buttons, there is nothing happen, right? Okay, so the app start work when you click these two buttons, up and down button here. So the next question is, what are the variables? How many variables? Okay, what are variables? It means that variable it has more than one, right? Okay, what is being stored and what is being changed, right? So you click, 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 and then click, click, click. So for me, this app, it has only one variable. Okay, that variable is the F or Fahrenheit value, okay, or a number, and it is being changed. What is being changed? So that variable is being changed when you click each button here, okay. So the app works when you click on these two buttons and variable. What are variable? If you can use two variable or three is up to you, but if I use only one to store this number of the Fahrenheit, and being changed is the Fahrenheit value too. Okay, so click finish it, continue. So this puzzle, okay, next puzzle, the puzzle 2, you can see the design mode and the code mode here. Okay, so what it wants us to do, just read the instruction first. So make a voucher for temp. Okay, make a voucher for temp variable and run the code. This will help you to track the value of variable it's change as it change. So run the program at least one, then with a partner, choose one of two code sections below. Okay, section 1, line 1 to 12, section 2, line 1, oh no, line 1, line 14 to 21. Okay, read the code in the section carefully, make sure you understand how each line works. So first of all, you can make a voucher. It means that you can go down here, go down here. Now I drag it up. Okay, add this. Okay, add the right and the bottom right of the screen. You can see the voucher here. And this voucher, we can see the box or text box. It said like variable of property. So we want or it want us to make temp in the voucher. So you can click or you can type with temp, and then you plus or click this plus icon, and you can see this called undefined. Okay, the temp undefined because we didn't run the app yet. If you click run, okay, you can see this number is 70, okay, 70, and you click up, okay, it's 71, up 72, okay, you can see that number is changed. So this means that the temp variable is being changed, okay, and store the new value when you change it, okay. So you just choose the two section of the code, right? Section 1 or section 2. Read the code carefully, okay? And after that, discuss. Find a group that investigated a different section and explain the code there, okay? Call out any line of code you thought was interesting or confusing. Ask a good question about how the section works, okay? So we can say the code here for this is session 1 and this is the session 2. Now uh, I explain you about these two section of code. For the first two line, okay, for the first one is the command or the command. So it's ignored by the executor, okay, when we start run the code, okay. So this two line is the create the variable that's called temp and tempf, okay. Temp is equal to 70 for the first, and after that tempf, it means that blank or nothing here, so nothing in the code, but it means that temp is store the text, okay. So this all even here, when you click the down button, okay, when you click the down button, temp equal to temp minus 1. It means that 70 minus 1. It will be equal to 69, like that. Okay, you can see 69. And after that, the temp f equal to temp is 69 plus f. So this plus sign, it is not mean that plus number and number or plus number to the character. It means that concatenate between the character and the variable. So when you set the set text, okay, when you set text to the ID that's called temperature text, this is the temperature text, this this text here. So when you click this, you can see the temperature text here. So you go to the code and run. It means that you set the temp f that already concatenate the number with the f character, okay, and after that it's set and display on the screen like that, okay. If you change f to another word or another character, your app will be shown like that, okay, you can see. So this is Fahrenheit, not Celsius, so you can change it back to f like that. And after that, this line of code is play the sound like tick tick, okay. So the section 2 is quite the same, but it not decrease the Fahrenheit. It increase the Fahrenheit when you click the up button. Okay, when you click the up button, temperature equal to temp plus 1, and after that, temperature 1 concatenate with F character and assign it to temp F again, and set the temp F to the text ID temperature tag, and after that play the sound the same, right? Okay, so when you click up and down, the number is start increase and decrease like that, and the sound the same, and the F is still the same, okay. So that's all. So we can go to the modify. Okay. Right now, temperature changed by 1 degree when you click or when the button was clicked. Modify the code so temperature changed by 2 degree when the button click. So it's quite easy, right? You just change the by one, the button click, modify, temperature change by 2 degree. It's quite the same. You can change this to 2 like that. Okay. It will be increased or decreased by 2 like that. Okay. Okay. That's all for this puzzle. Finish it. Okay. Now we go to the puzzle 3. What about this puzzle? Okay. We can see the our thermostat app again, but it has the another text here. It is like Celsius, right? It is Celsius, and up there is Fahrenheit. So read the instruction first, everyone. So run the app. Okay, we'll make voucher for temp F, temp C, temp display app, temp display C variable, and then run the code. Okay, so you can make it one by one. Follow the instruction first. For the first is temp F, enter, temp C, temp display F, temp display C. Okay, like that. Enter. Okay, discover the panel. What is happening in line 3? Okay, line 3, what is happening? Okay, how do you think mat.round work? Try delete mat.round in line 3 file. What's happened? Add it back. So click it and run it. What you see, right? So you can see the temp F. It has like 70. Temp C, you can see 21. Temp display F 70 with the character F, and temp display C, you can see 21 plus or plus the character C, right? So this is the tag that you can see on the screen. When you click up, okay, you can see this up, up, and this one also change to 21, and this is 71. Down, okay, you can see this will be down, this also down, this also down there. Down again, okay. So you can track your variable value in this watcher. Okay, how does it change, right? So the question is in the how do you think about the mat.round? Okay, at the line 3. So in the line 3 is line mat.round. What do you think? Okay, so you can delete it. Okay, try to delete mat.round. How could I delete it? So I click show text. Easy for me to delete it. So I just click delete mat.round. So after that I run again. Click down. I drag it so fast, a little bit fast, right? Okay. I can see the Celsius value is 21.1111. I click up again. Okay, it's same. Now I drag it to be fast. 22, 23, 4, 25. It is nothing happened. Click down. down, down. Okay, I think like code this code to the line 3. Again, I click reset and run again. Okay. When I click run at the first time, I can see the 21 is not 21 Celsius, but I see 21.11111. Okay, I can see is here too. Okay, so if I add the mud dot around back and surround this value, it is the formula that you can convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, the formula. Okay, you can click reset and run again. So when you add the mud dot round, the dot 11 is not so anymore, right? So yeah, that's what happened. And add it back. Okay, what do you think about the mud dot round? So it will be delete the dot 1 or dot 2 or dot any dot of value that you have and delete it. Okay, not showing it. It show only the 21. Okay, so modify, delete the space in between the quotation mark and the letter F in the line 4. Does okay? How does this change? What is displayed on the screen? So delete the space with the letter F that you can see. This letter F. Okay, delete another F and delete. Okay, and this is F anymore. So that's all. I click reset and run again. Okay, when I delete the space between the quotation mark and letter F, I saw that the 70 Fahrenheit it will be no space anymore between 70 and F. I click down and up. Okay, it will be no space between each other like 22 Celsius. So it is so best way you can add a space here, add a space back to make it readable and easy for you to understand about it. So set it and run again. Okay. Okay. Another way is if you want to delete some space in the quotation is the best way it's shown here. Or tip, you can switch to the text mode. If you try to delete in the block like that, it's a little bit difficult for you to delete or difficult to find like that. So you just show the text like that and you can delete something here. Okay, in this puzzle, it has the new code that called mat.round. Okay, to round your number. Okay, it means that the number after the dot is not showing anymore. Okay, another one is the voucher, and you can add more than one voucher to or more than one variable at the voucher to track your the variable value. How does it change or does it change or not? Okay, you can track it down there. Okay, so finish it, continue. So we go to the puzzle 4. What about this? Okay, it is thermostat app again, but it's version 3. Okay, so run the app with a partner and investigate. Okay, now I click run. Okay, okay, I can click log in. Okay, without including or in or typing the username, I can click go log in. I click home and go back. Discuss with a partner what new information is being stored. So I can click and type my name, okay, and then click login. What is the new information being stored? What is that? You can see on screen. This is not the new. This is not new. The new is the name that you have input from the first screen here. What you input, it will show up when you log in, or it means that when you log in the first page, your name will display in the next page. Okay, the second page. Okay, or second screen. Okay. So this is new information that being stored is our name or your name. Okay, it could be your name. Finish it. Okay, it has a little bit more code here. So okay, so read the code, investigate the code for the new version of Thermostat app. What changed? What's been added? Discuss with partner. Okay, discuss with the class what happened in the line 40. What is that? Line 40. Okay. Okay. Hover over the get tag block in the toolbox to read a document. Okay, you can go to hover your mouse up the get tag, and after that see the example, and you can click it and you can read this get tag. Okay, so it is in the category of the UI control. It get the tag from the specific screen element. Okay, you already know the screen element, right? Like text box, like that, or the image, or something on the screen. Here we call the screen element. So it can get a tag from that specific element. So it is the function of the get tag, right? Okay, so to capture data entered by the user, your app will need to read data from the text input, okay, or text area, okay. Get tag is usually used in an on-even callback function, okay, and return a string that can be stored in a variable or used as a parameter in another function call. So mostly the get tag, it is used inside the on-even like that, okay, or like a parameter in another function like this. Okay, so okay, that's all. So we just noted that the get tag is used to get the text from the screen element like text input. So let me explain you. For this design, we switch to design mode, and this tag input is called name input, or its ID is name input. So you go to code and go to the login button here at the line 39. When the login button was clicked, my name is the variable here up here that we have declared, but now don't have did not assign the value yet. So the my name was assigned the high value, plus it means concatenate with the tag that get from the get from the ID of the screen element name input. Okay, name input. So what you have input in this element, okay, it will be get in there, and after that concatenate with the word hi, and after that assign to my name, and after that it set tag username text. Okay, username tag is this screen. You can go to the home screen and click on this, and you can see the username tag is its ID. This is the ID of this tag. So It means that username tag is was assigned the new value that you have combined between the get tag from the ID name input, okay, and show up on the screen in the set, and then set screen is the open another screen, okay. So when you click run, when you click and enter your name, and then you click login, okay, this here will be your name and combined with the height, and that after that the height and your name will be assigned or displayed on the label text ID username like that, okay, you can see. So in this puzzle, the new code is that this is the button. We add this new code, right? Okay. And we add another screen. We have two screens in this time. We have the login screen here. It means that when you click the home, you can go back. You click login, you go to this screen. So when you click home, it sets screen. It means that you want to go to another screen called login screen, right? And this is quite the same. And this is the same to the last one. Okay, I think this is the same, but the difference is this variable my name. Okay, my name is will assign the new value when you click on the login button, and after that it gets a tag from the another input, and after that show up on the next screen. Okay, so that's all about it. So using concatenate, add an exclamation mark, exclamation point to the end of the string stored in my name. So the following is displayed. So add this exclamation mark. So you just go to that text. Okay, you can come up here, and after that plus, and after that the quote, and after that you can include the exclamation mark up here. You can reset and run again. Click your name, run. Okay, if it's so like that. Or you can make it the same to the screen here. Low, la, login. So the same, right? Finish it. Okay, now we explain about the process of creating the variable and update the variable. So you can see up here like var, my var equal to 0 like that. So var is a keyword, like keyword that we use to create variable, okay? And the equal sign we use to we use to assign value to variable, okay? So, and after that, if we use the variable, or if you want to update the variable, you can assign the myvar to new value like that, or equal to 1 like that. But if you want to update the variable myvar, you can write myvar equal to myvar again, okay, and then plus 1, okay, like this code. Okay, so the myvar, it is 1, and after that it is plus 1, it will be equal to 2. And after that, it will be assigned the new value to the variable my y again. Okay? So if you use this update statement of the code inside the on event or inside the counter pattern, the value of my var still increase when you click it one or counter pattern run one time. So it will be increased one by one. It means that the counter pattern with the event work like so. So a variable is defined. When the event is strict, the variable gets its current value. Okay, and add new value to it and store that information back in the variable. So that's all. I hope you all understand about the variable in this lesson 2 variable investigation. I hope you all learn something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below for what you have learned, and if you don't understand you can ask me down there. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.